Challenge accepted. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you. It is the Bratz style challenge. I went all through Google images to find the right one that can represent pretty perfectly. If you want to learn how I did this on myself, then keep watching. The first thing I decided to do was go in with my contour. So I wanted to contour my eyebrow area. This way I can have a guideline for where my darker shadows are going to go and where my nose contour is going to go. The Bratz doll was sporting a major arch on her brow, so I decided to go in later on with my highlighter. So for now, I'm just going to fill them in really naturally. If you grew up on the Bratz dolls or even have seen a Bratz doll, then you know it's all about the eyes and lips. And their eyes are super almond, so I'm just going to accentuate the inner corners of my eye. And for the outside corners of my eye, I'm going to draw everything up towards the brow. And that is going to make my eyes look super slanted and almond. I use soft ochre because this is going to be a base and it's also helping me to carve out the shape that I want. I went in with this bronzer by NYX to further define the inner corner of my eye, helping to bring all the attention to my lid. As you can see, the deeper this contour gets, the more that white part of my lid stands out. Now it's time to make my eyes appear more doll-like. So I went in with my Diorshow On Stage liner in matte white, which is a waterproof liquid eyeliner, to really accentuate those inner corners and make them appear a lot larger. I used the brown liquid eyeliner to start carving out where I want my dark eyeshadows to go in my crease. Now it's time for the eyeshadow, and I used my Revlon Colorstay eyeshadow palette in Rebelle. Taking that dark brown eyeshadow, I'm just going to go right over the liquid eyeliner. Using a small detail brush is going to be your best friend in this look because you want to be super precise when doing a cut crease. I'm using the reddish brown eyeshadow in the same palette to blend out that darker brown eyeshadow. This time I chose to use a pencil brush. Now I'm going to take this soft gold eyeshadow and a flat eyeshadow brush to apply it to my lid. This is going to go in the inner portion of my lid. Once I was satisfied with that golden eyeshadow, I went in to accentuate the inner corners of my eyes using my highlighter from Ofra Cosmetics. When it comes to the Bratz doll, the bigger the eyes, the better. I'm defining my lower lash line with my brown liquid eyeliner, bringing it a lot further than usual, so this way my eyes look a lot bigger. It really helps if you look straight on into your mirror, but if you're not super experienced, then I would say tilt the mirror up and look up. With the brown eyeshadow from the Revlon palette, I'm now blending out that lower lash line. I'm trying to make this really smoky but super clean at the same time. This is why I stress using a small defining brush so that you can be precise. With the lightest color in this palette, I'm now finishing off the top lash line, using it to carve out that crease that we just created. This is going to clean everything up and tie it all together. As far as this brush goes, if you have any of the Urban Decay Naked palettes, there's a big chance that you have it. Now it's time to give this look some major wing, and I'm using my Revlon Colorstay Sharp Line Eyeliner in Blackest Black. And besides this look, this is the eyeliner that I never want to go without. It was my very first time using it, and I will never ever want to be without it, as far as I'm concerned right now. The secret to the Bratz eyeliner is to take it way out and way in, so I'm really going to accentuate those inner corners. Now I'm taking the same eyeliner and I'm drawing on my crease. Every Bratz doll has this super defined crease, and I'm just making sure that I do too. Now it's time to create a really flawless finish to my face, and I went in with my Dermablend Flawless Creator because I have to look like plastic, and that means perfection. So I went in with this product because it is the product that actually covers my entire face. It covers every single thing. It makes everything look super flawless, which is why it's called the Flawless Creator. I absolutely love it. Then for concealer, I wanted to go in with the strongest concealer I have, and that is by Lancome. So I'm just applying that and blending it out with my Beauty Blender sponge. So now it's time to contour, contour, contour. And she had the most cutest button nose and completely opposite from mine. So I went in with my Kim K West contour stick and I went ham. Basically made a prayer and said, let's go. So this tiny little blender is my best friend right now because it's getting all the right spots without spreading the product around. And I'm also contouring around my lips because a Bratz doll has like lips of dreams. And yeah, so I contoured around my mouth, contoured my cheekbones, and now we're going to set all of that. And I'm using my Becca Cosmetics Pink Haze brightening powder, and I absolutely love this. I use this in my real life as well. And so yeah, it's really, really pretty. It really brightens everything up. However, I do feel like sometimes it leaves a little bit of a pink glow to your face that's matte, so I do spray it. But I'm just drawing on some fake eyelashes and then spraying my face. I would say do that in reverse. I got really lucky because my eyeliner is waterproof, but yeah, do not do that if yeah, it can run, you know. So now I'm just highlighting for my life, and I've never worn this much highlighter and I don't know why not, but I absolutely loved how it looked. And then I used my Ultra Super Pigmented Blush Palette. I have all the names listed down below. Please check out my description box. And yeah. So these have been my go-to lashes, and they're Thrill Seeker from both Face Cosmetics, and they're absolutely stunning. And now for the lips, I went in with my Motives Cosmetic Lip Liner in Morning Coffee and my Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in Disturbed. It's so pretty. And because this Bratz doll was all the extra that I love, she had some rhinestones underneath her lash line, so I went in with some glitter, and that completes this look. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was super fun. I don't tend to do a lot of challenges on my channel, so this was super, super fun and different for me. And not only different, I really like this makeup. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new to my channel. Share this video with all your friends. I put a lot of work into this. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next video, stay beautiful.